Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you a haul video from yesterday's small trip and from an IG seller. So first, um, I went to the Landmark and got me some letter sets. So I've got this one, and I love the gold details of this letter set. This one also. This. And this one has the um, silver detail. And this one. I've also got this craft paper ones. So there. I'm sorry for the glare. So there. Then I've also got cord winders because I am using this cord winder on my charger, and one of my office mates is always asking where I got this. So when I saw this at the Landmark, I bought for each one of them. So I've got this. I will design this. I think this is a koala. Then alligator. This girl and this cute bear. And I've also got one elephant design which looks like this, but I've already given that to my brother's girlfriend. So this one will be mine. So this is how this works. So you'll just wind it up. Your cards. See? It is so cute. So I was tempted to buy all of the designs there because there were so many cute ones, but I resist the urge and just got this one. So that's that for my Landmark trip. So next I went to Daiso and got some page reinforcers. So I will be using this on my financial binder. Then I've also got this correction tape refills. So then I've got this compass cutter. So I haven't tried this one yet, but let's see. Let's open this one together. Oops. This is what it looks like. So I didn't see this one before, but this has spare blades. So let's check those. How do I open this one? Oops, it has no spare blades. Probably I'll just be buying X-Acto knife refills. So let's try this. How do I use this? Let me first read the instructions. Oh, no, I can't read Japanese. But I think I should be pulling this one out. Ooh, that blade looks sharp. So I think I should be. Oh, I just need to pull this one out, then align this triangular thing to the radius that I want. So let's try 2 inch. So how do I lock this one? No? So why can't I lock this? Maybe it has no lock. So I think I should have used my cutting mat here. So here's what I've got. So this will be quite handy because I hate cutting circles. So there, it produced a clean cut. I just didn't put weight on this cutter so as not to damage my table here, but it cuts really well. So where can I buy replacements for this? I'll just check out Daiso again for the replacement blades. So that's what I got from Daiso. Next, I went to to the Day of Bear. There, it's an arts and craft store at the top floor of SM North EDSA. So I got there this bone folder because I don't want to damage any more of my pens when scoring paper. So I've got this one. This one I think was 108 pesos. So before I was thinking of buying the Martha Stewart bone folder, pink bone folder, but that was 400 pesos I think. So I've decided to just get this plain one because um, I because I don't know, color, I don't mind the color, I just need this working. So I've got that, and I've also got this dye based ink there, and I've got this one in orange, red, pink, dark green, green, yellow, the shades of blue, black, brown, and violet. So I haven't tried this one, so let's get a stamp. So I'll just be using this stamp. I got this from, where did I get this? I got this from Daiso years ago. So I don't have an acrylic block, but I'm just using this glass paperweight to mount my silicone stamp. So let's try this on the Eiffel Tower. So there. Excuse me. Excuse me. So let's try this on the purple one. Oh, I need another paper. So let's try this. Let's dab, 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 dab. So here's what I've got. So it really is very pigmented. Um, the color is very vibrant. So I think this is a good ink pad. So there. Let's put this back there. Then I've also got this Versamark watermark stamp pad for embossing. So and I've also got this Judikins embossing powder. I've got the metallic gold the Aegean silver. So I wanted to buy more embossing powder, but they're pretty expensive, so I just got this too, and then I'll build my collection from here. So, and then I've also got this Marvi Uchida embossing heat tool. So this is a 110 volts only, so if you're living in the Philippines, you need a transformer for this to work, because or else you'll end up having a ruined machine here. So guys, you need a transformer to use this. Then there, that's my day of wear haul, day of wear purchases. So maybe I'll post a embossing sample later. So there. Next, I went to the stationery department of SM Department Store, because the National Bookstore is so jam-packed, because it's almost the start of the school year, so everyone's frantic on buying their school supplies for a while. I went to the stationery section of SM Department Store, because the National Bookstore was so jam-packed, because the start of this school year is approaching, so most are buying school supplies, so I don't want to rush in with them. So I went to the stationery section of SM, thinking that sorry, excuse me, thinking that the line there is um shorter, and it was. They have lots of customers, but I found someone who could assist me, so I bought this new Carl illuminated paper trimmer, because my current paper trimmer has dull blades, and I'm not getting crisp lines, I'm not getting good cut with it, so I thought of investing on a new paper trimmer. So this is it. It has two blades. One is for the straight cut and this one is the perforated cut. So this has this ruler here, so it could cut up to 13-inch paper. Then you can open this one up so that for in case you don't need to use the straight blade, so you can just pull this out and just close it and just use this. And I like this one because this has this safety feature. See, this is where the blade should be and it's not cutting me. So this has this cover that if you turn it that way to the other side, you will expose the blades. So when not in use, I could just close this one up and not worry cutting myself because I'm so clumsy. I have always cut myself. So there. I think this one is magnetic because it's hard to when locked in place, it's hard to lift this one. So let's give a sample, and I need another paper. I will just use this one. So first we'll test the straight cut one. So see, it cuts effortlessly. So oops, and the cut is very sharp. So this other blade is for the perforation blade, but at first I thought this was a scoring blade, but when we tried it, it was a perforation blade, and what it do is, so it doesn't cut your paper entirely, but it gives you this perforation marks, like when you see a pad of paper that has this perforation, the easy tear part. See, I don't know what to call this one, but there. I don't have any ideas where I'll be using this blade, but I'm excited on using this trimmer already. So there. Oops, sorry. I've also got this all-purpose glue. because I've run out of glue. Plus, they have a promo that if you buy more than 12,000 pesos, 12,000 pesos or more item plus an Elmer's glue, you'll have a chance to draw prizes. So I'm not lucky with draw lots, but I did get this paper clips for free. I won this on the draw lots, and I've got a backpack in a pouch, which is also free because this trimmer alone is 1,300 something pesos. So there. So let me clear out my table first so that I can show you what I've bought from Grace. She's a seller on Instagram, and her IG name is this. So just check her IG profile. Hey guys, I'm back. So I've got this Project Life journaling pens from her, and I've already opened them up and tested them out, and here is sorry, and here is a sample. Yeah, I know I have a crappy handwriting, but there, this is the .01, the 03, and the 05 tip. The 01 pen, I think, can be compared to the Pilot G-Tech .3, I think, because I'm using that pen before when I was still studying, and it writes like this one. So there. I've also got this ta-da! Project Life mini album. So sorry for the sound. Oops. So I've got the one in blush. So it's faux leather, I think, and the inside is like this. It's like felt or gamosa there, and it has this 20 pages inside, and it only has this style of page protector. I wish they would come up with a mini album that you can change or swap the page protectors like their Deering album. So you can have different designs there. And then I've also got this. She put my stickers in a folder so as not to dent them while being shipped. So that's that. Then I've got this as a freebie. So thank you, Grace. And I've also got this cork stickers from Studio Calico. So on the picture, I thought this was wood, and I asked Grace if this was wood, and she said it's cork. But um, uh, anywho, I got this because I like the erase effect texture on my page. So I've also got this. This was a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, but she um, asked permission if she could cut this one so it would fit the XL pouch. So I said yes. I, it doesn't really matter that it's cut as long as it reached me. So it's another one from Studio Calico from the Sun Drifter collection. So we have the tabs there, and you run away with me, you are my sunshine, best day ever, life is good, hello love. So happy, life is good, go the geotag icon and add life today, love, another geotag, and it's gonna be okay, hello, flowers, and numbers. I think this is for tabs. So here I've got another of those flowers, arrows, and geotags. So these are the letters, numbers, and symbols, and these arrows. Okay. I've also got this alphabet stickers from Prima, and these are real wood stickers. So let's open this one out. So yeah, the feel, it's really wood, guys. So there. So I got this in this color and this lighter color. I've also got stickers. I've got this pink one and this pink glittery one. So it's back to back. So there. I think that's all of my purchases yesterday. So I've I've paid Grace or Tot and Mom last Friday, and she also shipped the items last Friday night, and then I received this package um about lunchtime yesterday. So it's just almost 12 hours. It's less than 24 hours shipping time. So I'm very pleased with this transaction, and I can't wait to use all of these goodies. So that's that for my haul. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.